Hi guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we have some run deals to talk about. We have some amazing deals on food items. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded a couple of other DG videos that you might want to go and check out, because we do have new coupons, we have new glitches, we have freebies, plus we have 90% off clearance markdowns, plus we talk about the penny list. So make sure that you go and check those videos out. They're all going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Now, some of you all may have already noticed we do have a new digital coupon. It's a 3 off 2 for the Pepsi and Frito-Lay products, and we have a lot of options, a lot of different ways that we can use this coupon. So now we're going to take a look at some of the sales and some of the items that are working with this coupon, and then we're going to take a look at some breakdowns, because I have put together several different scenarios. There are some fantastic ways that we can mix and match and take advantage of all of the best deals. So first up, we have our Pepsi and Mountain Dew 12 packs. They're on sale this week, 3 for $15. We do have that 2 off 3 digital coupon, so that is going to leave you paying $13 for 3. However, on the Mountain Dew 12 packs, we also have a cashback offer for $1.50 back. There is a limit of 5, so if both of those stack and work together, that's going to make your final price $8.50 for 3. All right, next up, we have a sale on the Pepsi and Mountain Dew 6 packs and the Bubbly 8 packs. They're on sale 3 for $11. We have that 2 off 3 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $9 for 3. And on the Mountain Dew 6 packs, we also have a $1 cashback offer, so if both of those stack and work together, that's going to make your final price $6 for 3. This sale also includes the 8 count of the Bubbly sparkling water, so on sale 3 for $11. We have that 2 off 3 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $9 for 3. We also have a $1 cashback offer on the Bubbly when you purchase 2. So if those stack and work together, that's going to make your final price $8 for 3. Next up, we have the Pepsi and Mountain Dew 2 liters. These are normally priced at $2.50 each, but they're on sale 2 for $3.50. Next up, we have our Story products. Now, typically, these follow the Pepsi and Mountain Dew sales, but this week, they're kind of on their own little thing. So here we have the 12-pack of the Story. They're on sale 3 for $11. With that 2 off 3 digital coupon, that's going to leave you paying $9 for 3. And we do have a cashback offer for $1.50 back. There is a limit of 5, so that is going to make your final price $4.50 if both of those stack. And here we have our Story 6-packs. These are on sale 3 for $13. We do have that 2 off 3 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $11 for 3. We do have a $1 cashback offer, so if those stack and work together, that's going to make your final price $8 for 3. Next up, we have the 64-ounce Pure Leaf teas. These are priced at $3.25 each. What you want to do is pick up 2, use this 3 off 2 digital coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $3.50 for 2. And we also have the 64-ounce Lipton teas. These are priced at $2.25. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $1.50 for 2. Next up, we have the Lay's potato chips. These are normally priced at $3.95, but they are on sale this week, 2 for $6. We also have the Lay's Crunch Taters. These are priced at $3.75, but these are also on sale 2 for $6. Now, also attaching to this coupon, we have the Lay's Kettle Cooked Chips. These are priced at $3.75, and then we also have the Munchies. These are priced at $3.45. Next up, we have the Rolled Gold Pretzels. These are priced at $3.65 each, but they are on sale this week, 2 for $6. And also working with this coupon, we have the Frito Dips. These are priced at $3.30. So there you have it. There's some of the best deals and low out-of-pocket items that we can use with this coupon. So hopefully that made it a little bit easier. Y'all keep in mind you can mix and match however you would like, but you do have to purchase 1 Pepsi product and 1 Frito-Lay product in order for this 3 off 2 coupon to work. Now, I have already put together some really amazing deals, so let's go ahead and take a look at those. All right, so up first, you're going to pick up 3 of the Mountain Dew 12 packs and 1 of the Frito-Lay dips. That's going to put you $18.30. You're going to use the 3 off 2 Pepsi and Lay's DG store coupon along with the 2 off 3 Pepsi 12 packs. That is going to leave you paying $13.30 out of pocket. But then we do have that $1.50 cashback offer on the Mountain Dew 12 pack. So if those stack and work together, that's going to make your final price $8.80 for 4, making those $2.20 each. Now on this one, we're going to pick up 3 of the Story 12 packs. Again, they're on sale 3 for $11, and 1 of the Frito-Lay dips. You're going to use that 3 off 2 Pepsi and Lay's coupon and the 2 off 3 12 packs. You're going to pay $9.30 for 4, but we do have that cash cashback offer for $1.50 back. So if both of those stack and work together, that's going to make your final price $4.80 for all 4, making those $1.20 each. All right, next up, if you want to pick up 3 of the Starry 6-packs for $13 and one of the Frito-Lay dips, use both of those coupons. That's going to leave you paying $11.30 for 4. But again, we do have that cashback offer. So if those stack and work together, that's going to make your final price $8.30 for 4, making those $2.07 each. Now, if you want to pick up 3 of the Mountain Dew 6-packs at $11 and one of the Frito-Lay dips, that's going to put you at $14.30. Using the 3 off 2 and the 2 off 3, that's going to leave you paying $9.30 for 4. But again, we do have that cashback offer. So if those stack and work together, that's going to make your final price $6.30 for all 4, making those $1.57 each. All right, next up, if you want to pick up 3 of the Bubbly 8-packs for $11 and one of the Frito-Lay dips, that's going to put your subtotal at $14.30. You're going to use those same 2 coupons, pay $9.30 for 4. If that cashback offer stacks and works together, that's going to make your final price $8.30 for 4, making those $2.07 each. All right, on this next one, we're going to pick up one of the Pure Leaf teas priced at $3.25 and one of the Frito-Lay dips at $3.30. That's going to put your subtotal at $6.55. You're going to use the 3 off 2 Pepsi and Lay's DG store coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $3.55 for 2, making those $1.77 each. Now, in my opinion, here's a little bit of a better deal. You want to pick up 2 of the Pure Leaf teas at $6.50 and one of the Frito-Lay dips at $3.30. You're going to use the 3 off 2 Pepsi and Lay's plus the 3 off 2 Pure Leaf Lipton. And that's going to leave you paying $3.80 for all 3, making those $1.26 each. Now, if you'd rather have the Lipton tea, you can pick up one of those at $2.25 and one of the Frito-Lay dips. Use that 3 off 2 Pepsi and Lay's DG store coupon. That's going to leave you paying $2.55 for 2, making those $1.27 each. Or here's a little bit of a better deal. You can pick up 2 of the Lipton teas at $4.50. One of the Frito-Lay dips. Use that 3 off 2 Pepsi and Lay's and the 3 off 2 Pure Leaf Lipton. That's going to leave you paying $1.80 for all 3, making those just 60 cents each. Now, on this one, we're going to pick up one of the Pepsi or Mountain Dew 2 liters at $2.50 and one of the Frito-Lay dips for $3.30. Use that 3 off 2 digital coupon. You're going to pay $2.80 for 2, making those $1.40 each. But don't forget that the 2 liters are on sale, 2 for $3.50. So if you want to do that, pick up one of the Frito-Lay dips. Use that 3 off 2 digital coupon. You're paying $3.80 for 3. All right, now I'm going to let a couple of these scenarios just scroll across your screen. I'm basically just showing you all that it is really easy to mix and match and to substitute other items in for that Frito-Lay dip. I have been using it in all of my scenarios just to show you all what the best deal is. That is the lowest priced Frito-Lay item that we have that will attach to this coupon. And as you all can see, it is really easy to mix and match. If you would rather have a bag of the Lay's chips, they're really only a few cents difference. If you're not sure if an item attaches to that coupon, all you have to do is scan it with your Dollar General app when you're in the store. Make sure that Pepsi coupon shows up underneath. And also, once you're done shopping, don't forget to scan those receipts into the Fetch Rewards rebate app, because right now we do have 75 cents back on the Lipton tea. We also have Lay's chips. We have the Starry products. All kinds of amazing deals on Fetch Rewards right now. So if you're not already signed up, my referral code is on the screen as well as down in the description box below. All right, guys, that is going to be it for me for now. I'm going to go and get in on these run deals before the shelves are cleared, and I hope that you do too. And y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned, because I have more crazy awesome deals coming at you all very, very soon. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.